If you saw my last video, you already know the biggest money mistakes keeping people broke. If you haven't watched it yet, pause this, go check it out, then come back because today we are taking it a step further. This is part 2, and we are getting tactical. Because let's be real, knowing what is keeping you broke is one thing, but actually fixing it, that's the hard part. If you are tired of watching your money disappear before the next paycheck, and you are ready to finally break out of this cycle, then this video is for you. Let's get into it. Step 1, get control of your cash flow. If you don't know where your money is going, you will never get ahead. Most people assume that if they are broke, it is because they don't make enough money, but that is not always true. There are people making $75,000, even $100,000 a year who are still living paycheck to paycheck. How is that even possible? The reason is that they have no idea where their money is actually going. Your income is not the problem if your money disappears every month. The problem is how you are managing your cash flow. The first thing you need to do is track every dollar for the next 30 days. No guessing. You need real numbers. You can use apps such as Rocket Money, which tracks your expenses automatically. You can also use an app called You Need a Budget, which allows you to budget hands-on, or Monarch Money, which gives you full financial tracking. The next thing you want to do is figure out your gap money. This is the amount left after you pay all your bills and expenses. If your gap is less than $100, your problem is income, and we will get to that in a minute. If your gap is $300 or more, then you have money to start saving and investing right now. You just need a system. The last thing you need to do is assign every dollar a job before your next paycheck. If you have no idea where your money is going, it is way too easy to waste it. If you plan ahead, you are in control. Before you do anything else, download one of those apps and track every dollar you spend for the next 7 days. You need to see the problem before you can fix it. Step 2, creating a 30-day money plan. Now that you know where your money is going, it is time to create a plan of action. Most people struggle with sticking to a budget because it feels restrictive, kind of like dieting. If it is too strict, you are going to quit. Instead, let's build a 30-day money plan that actually works. The first thing you need to do is plan your next paycheck before it even hits your account. Decide how much is going to bills, how much is going to essentials like groceries, gas, and rent, how much is going into savings and investments, and how much is guilt-free spending. The next thing you want to do is automate the essentials. Use apps such as Capital or Digit to automatically move money into savings. If you don't see it, you won't spend it. If you struggle with impulse spending, try using cash for non-essentials. Withdraw a set amount of cash for things like takeout, shopping, or entertainment. When the cash is gone, you are done spending. Before your next paycheck lands in your account, decide exactly where every dollar is going. That is how you stay in control. Step 3, building a get-ahead fund. An emergency fund is great, but a get-ahead fund is what keeps you from falling back on credit cards every time something unexpected happens. Because let's be real, unexpected expenses are not really unexpected. Your car is going to break down at some point. A random bill is going to pop up. The question is, are you ready for it? The first thing you need to do is save 1 month of expenses before you even think about a 6-month emergency fund. Focus on getting 1 month saved first. The next thing you want to do is keep it in a high-yield savings account so your money makes money while it sits there. Some of the best options include Ally Bank, which offers 4% or more in interest, Marcus by Goldman Sachs, or Wealthfront, which not only lets you save, but also invest automatically. The last thing you need to do is use windfalls wisely. If you get a tax refund, a bonus, or any unexpected extra cash, put at least 50% into your get-ahead fund and enjoy the rest. Transfer $50 into a high-yield savings account today. It is not about the amount, it is about building the habit. Step 4, fixing your income. Let's be real, you can only cut so much. At some point, you need to make more money. The first thing you need to do is make sure you are getting paid what you are worth. Check your salary on websites like Glassdoor, LinkedIn Salary Insights, or PayScale. Learn how to negotiate a raise because 70% of people who ask for one actually get it. Talk to your boss and ask, what do I need to do in the next 6 months to earn a pay increase? The next thing you want to do is increase your income streams. Start a digital side hustle by selling templates, freelancing, or consulting. Use gig apps such as TaskRabbit, Rover, or Upwork to make extra money on the side. Learn a high-income skill like coding, copywriting, or social media marketing. Every extra dollar you make should go straight to savings debt payoff, or investments. Make a list of 3 ways you can make extra income this month. Pick one and start today. Step 5, setting a 90-day escape plan. Escaping paycheck to paycheck does not happen overnight, but if you commit to 90 days of intentional changes, you will see real progress. The first thing you need to do is set a clear goal. Decide what your top priority is. Do you want to save $1,000, pay off a credit card, earn $500 extra per month? Pick one and lock in. The next thing you need to do is take one small step every week. Do not overthink it, just take action. The last thing you need to do is track and adjust. Use tools like Notion, Google Sheets, or Monarch Money to track your progress every Sunday night. Write down your 90-day financial goal right now. Make it specific, make it measurable, and commit to it. If you made it this far, you are already ahead of 90% of people who will stay broke because they never take action. Drop a comment below and tell me one step you are taking today to break free. If you are serious about leveling up your money game, make sure you like this video, subscribe for real no BS finance advice, and send this to a friend who needs to hear it. We are building a community of people who are taking control of their money. Welcome to the movement. Stay smart with your money, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.